You know it already, man. Drive modes every single time in the Scat. Track. Range miles. Oh shit, only 20 miles to empty. Damn. Might not be able to do a whole video, guys. Let me turn off at the AC then. Look at that guy in the slow ass V just revving over there. But yeah guys, 2019 Scatpack, you know, carbon edition Scat. What y'all think about the steering wheel? All the carbon fiber. Look at Chris coming up with the V, bro. What? You want redemption? Go. Go. I mean, I told him to go. You know, I normally have these cars in manual when I drive it, right? Track mode, traction fully off, manual transmission, manual mode. That way I can control it more, because if it steps out, you don't want it to upshift for you. That's just gonna upset the balance of the car, spin you out, do some extra shit. if you're drifting it, you want as much control, so I normally keep it in manual. I'm gonna leave it in drive, because in drive they do shift hella quick. We're gonna go on this road, step on it one time, because you know, traffic right now, bro. No right turn on red. That's the first time I've ever seen that shit right there. What? That was a thing? But we still got that V behind, you know what I'm saying? Plus, guys, let me know what you guys want to see in these videos, man. What kind of videos you want to see? You want to see more Scats? You want to see Hellcats? You want to see what? You want to see some AMGs? Damn, I say AMG right out of this truck drive by. Hey, that truck is the new Patronus, you know what I'm saying? Lewis Hamilton. That's why you're going to be driving next season, bro. Shit, look at that shit. Y'all seen that shit? That man almost hit that boy Chris, bro, to run the red light. What's wrong with these people in Florida, bro? Look at that shit. And now he's gonna go for him. Cause he just bad driving. So now he gonna go for him, you know? Cause he almost killed him. But that guy in the Benz just keep on running red light. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the Scatpack video, it's just a little something. We had it for the day, you know? Just film a little something. If you guys enjoyed the Scatpack video, drop a thumbs up. Go check out my boy 6.4 Sinister. I mean, you know, he thinking about, you know, he might be thinking about something else, so if you got an offer on his Scat, make it. Drop it down below. 45, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, drop him an offer, man. Carbon edition Scatpack. I'm gonna get you guys here one last time. Yeah. As I said, drop a comment down below and let me know whatever y'all want to see next. Come in front.